How can a DWI or driving while intoxicated arrest affect your employment or your future? It really depends on what do you do. Let's say, for example, you're a truck driver and having a driving while intoxicated offense on your record is going to have serious consequences on your ability to have a commercial driver's license. This would also be true for anybody in the transportation industry. If you think about it, it makes sense. If you get a DWI on your record, your insurance rates are going to go up, you're going to have commercial driver's license issues, and it's going to be much more difficult for somebody to consider you or a company to consider you a viable employee and one that they want to carry on their policy. You also should consider that professional licenses, like medical licenses, nurses, doctors, dentists, lawyer licenses, licenses to fly a plane like a pilot, they all come with their own requirements and their own code of conduct. When you're arrested for any criminal offense, but certainly for driving while intoxicated, what you need to do is sit down with your lawyer and go over your licensing reporting requirements. What is required for you to report to your licensing board? What are the potential consequences for you failing to report it? And what are the potential consequences of if you report it, what the licensing board could do to you? Is there a process administratively that you could go through in order to challenge any type of license suspension? It's important to also understand that these things aren't rules necessarily that are set out as in you get a DWI, you lose your license. A lot of the things that licensing boards are going to look into is whether there's a substance abuse issue. The reason they're looking for substance abuse issues is that substance abuse can affect your judgment. If you're a nurse and you're regularly giving medicine and you have a substance abuse issue that could affect your judgment or ability to make decisions, then the licensing board is more likely to take action on your license, whether it be through a temporary suspension, education requirement, or complete removal of your license if they think that you could be a danger to someone else when you're executing your job duties. So whether you are going to be subjected to collateral consequences, those are consequences outside of criminal punishment. When you're arrested for a driving while intoxicated offense, really depend upon what profession you're in, what license you carry, what liability you could be creating for your employer, and ultimately what their decision is on whether you have a substance abuse issue. If you have questions or you need assistance with substance abuse, please give us a call at Varghese Summersett, 817-203-2220.